JEE मेन क्विज में यू आर वेलकम। यहाँ पर हमारे पास 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं, 2 फ्रॉम मैथ्स एंड 2 फ्रॉम फिजिक्स, 1 फ्रॉम केमिस्ट्री। आपको ये देखना है कि क्या आप इन क्वेश्चंस को 10 सेकंड में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। लेट अस टेस्ट योर ब्रेन। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम मैथ्स। ये क्वेश्चन 2025 में 22 जनवरी को शिफ्ट सेकंड में JEE मेन में पूछा गया था। इफ़ द सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन, यहाँ पर लीनियर इक्वेशन का सिस्टम है जिसमें कि 3 इक्वेशंस हैं, वेयर A, B are the element of R has infinitely many solutions, then 7A plus 3B is equal to, we have to find 7A plus 3B. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1. Correct option is yay, 16. I will explain it to you how it is 16. ये 16 कैसे है मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करके सॉल्यूशन पूरा सॉल्यूशन बताता हूँ। वेट। For infinitely many solutions, delta is equal to delta x is equal to delta y is equal to delta z is equal to 0, and delta here, delta is equal to, using matrix method, for solution of delta we shall write here coefficients. Coefficient of x is 1 and y is also 1, and coefficient of z is 2, and similarly coefficient of, in second equation, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3, and coefficient of z is 8. For this black one, coefficient of x is -1, coefficient of y is -3, and coefficient of z is b. These all are equal to 0 for infinitely many solutions. Now solving this matrix. One into 3 into b, 3b minus into this minus, that will become plus 3 into a, 3a. Now taking the second, minus 1 into, leaving this and this both, 2 into b, so that will become 2b, writing straightforward 2b, and 2b and -1 into a, minus plus, so plus a, and now taking 2 plus 2, leaving this and this, 3 to the 6, that will be -6, 3 to the 6, because here is minus plus, 3 ones are 3, plus 3, and solving further, 1 into 3b plus 3a This will become 3 ones are 3, 3b plus 3a minus 2b minus a and plus 2, 6 minus 3, that is 3, minus 3 to the 6, so that is minus 6, minus 6. Now it is equal to 3b minus 2b plus 3a minus a and minus 6 is equal to 0. This all is equal to 0. So is equal to 0 is equal to 0. On subtraction we get b plus 2a minus 6 is equal to 0. Or we can write it like this, 2a plus b minus 6 is equal to 0. Say it is equation number 1. Now we will solve it for delta z. For delta z, this last column will be changed only. In place of delta z, we shall write these. So writing here for equation number 1, that is 6. For equation number 2, a plus 1. For this equation 2b. Now again solving similarly as we have solved initially. 1 multiplied by 3 to the 6b is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 3 to the 6, 6b minus 3, 3 ones are 3 minus 3a minus 3a minus 3 plus 1, so minus 3, that is, and with in second step we write minus 1, leaving this and this, 2 3s are 2 2s are 4b minus 1 into a plus 1, this multiply by this, bracket close. Now coming on 6, so this way plus 6 into, leaving this and this, 2 3s are 3 2s are 6 minus 6 and minus and minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3 plus 3. So this way we shall get here, on solving this all is equal to 0. On solving this all we shall get a plus b minus 8 is equal to 0. Say it is equation number 2. That is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. On solving equation number 1 and 2, we get a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 10, and hence 7a plus 3b is equal to, substituting the values of a and b in the equation, that is equal to 7 into minus 2 plus 10 into 3 7 2s are 14 minus 14 plus 30. On subtraction we get 16, and hence 16 is the correct answer of this question. Our second question we have taken from physics, मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड्स. ये क्वेश्चन 2025 में 2 अप्रैल को शिफ्ट 1 में पूछा गया था. एक स्टील वायर है जिसकी लेंथ 2 मीटर है और यंग मॉडुलस 2.0 इंटू 10⁻11 है. न्यूटन मीटर इनवर्स 2. इसे स्ट्रेच किया जाता है बाय अ फोर्स. एक फोर्स लगाकर स्ट्रेच करते खींचते हैं. इफ the Poisson ratio and transverse strain for the wire are 0.2 and 10⁻³ respectively, then the elastic potential energy density of the wire dash into 10⁵ in SI unit. तो आपको elasticity, elastic potential energy density पता करना है वायर की. तो your time start A 25, B 75, C 32, D 28. 10, 9, 11. Your time start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Correct option is 25. The elastic potential energy density of wire is 25 into 10⁵ in SI units. क्या आप इसको 50 सेकंड्स में सॉल्व कर पाएँ? नहीं, तो हम आपको इसका कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन बताते हैं. लेंथ ऑफ द वायर इज 2 मीटर एंड यंग मॉड्यूल्स इज y is equal to 2 into 10⁻11 Newton per meter square. We know that mu is equal to minus delta r radius of the wire upon, means that reduced radius of the wire, and this is radius of the wire, upon delta L increased length upon L total length. So this way delta L upon del L will be equal to 1 upon mu into this delta r upon r within bracket. This way, substituting the values, delta L upon L is given. This is delta L upon L is equal to 1 upon mu. That is 0.2 into 10⁻1 upon 0.2 into 10⁻³ since this is 2 meter, so converting 2 meter into centimeters. which will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, or u is equal to mu is equal to or electric potential energy density u is equal to 1 upon 2 into y into delta L upon L square. So this will be 1 upon 2 into the value of this young modulus is 10, 2 into 10 to the power 11 minus 2 into 10 to the power 11, 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square, 10 to the power 11 into the value of this delta L upon L, 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 square. Two is cancelled with this 2, 10 to the power 11 into 5 5s are 25 into 10 to the power minus 6. So that will be 25 into 10 to the power 11 minus 6, that is 5. So which is the answer? This way we can say the elastic potential energy density of the wire is 25. So this way 25 is the correct answer. This was given in the question in SI units. थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमने केमिस्ट्री से लिया है, केमिकल बॉन्डिंग एंड मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर। ये 2024 में फर्स्ट फेब को शिफ्ट 1 में पूछा गया था। अरेंज द बाउंड इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग आयोनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इन द मॉलिक्यूल्स LiF, K2O, N2, SO2 and ClF3. You can see in first LiF is the most ionic in character, and thereafter K2O, SO2 and ClF3, and at last there is N2. And in second LiF is the most ionic, whereas K2O at second position, SO2 third, N2 fourth and ClF3 at fifth position. So as LiF, K2O in C, option C, LiF, K2O, ClF3, SO2 and N2O. So this way increasing order will be, and in D, N2 is the most ionic, thereafter SO2, thereafter ClF3, K2O and then LiF. So increasing order in first is LiF, then is K2O, ClF3, SO2 and N2. Your time start. Which is the correct option? 1 2 3 4। ये तो बहुत जल्दी ही बताने वाला आंसर है। Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer. The answer's option C is the correct answer. N2 is the least ionic in character in the molecule. And thereafter SO2, and thereafter ClF3 and K2O. LiF is the most ionic in character. This way the option C is correct, as I told you. The ionic character in a molecule is dependent upon electronegativity difference between the constituting atoms. तो जो भी इसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एटम्स होते हैं उनके बीच में जो डिफरेंट होता है उससे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिपेंड करती है. ग्रेटर द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस, ग्रेटर विल बी द ionic character of molecule. Therefore, the correct sequence of increasing order or of ionic character is N2, then SO2, then ClF3, then K2O, and at last LiF. So this way you can say that LiF is the most ionic in the molecule according to the characteristics. So most characteristic. So this is the correct sequence of increasing order ionic characteristics. The correct sequence of increasing order of ionic characteristic is N2, then SO2, then ClF3, then K2O, and at last or the highest is LiF. Lithium fluoride. और अब हम आते हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पर, विच इज फ्रॉम मैथ्स इंटीजर्स. ये क्वेश्चन 2025 में 23 जनवरी को शिफ्ट सेकंड में JEE मेंस में पूछा गया था. लेट इंटीग्रेशन x क्यूब sin x dx इज इक्वल टू gx प्लस c, where c is the constant of integration. इंटीग्रेशन का एक कांस्टेंट होता है, जब भी हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो एक कांस्टेंट आता है उसके साथ. If 8 within bracket g pi upon 2 plus g dash pi upon 2 is equal to alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma, where alpha, beta and gamma are the elements of Z, then alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to option A 55, option B 48, option C 62, option D 47. Your time starts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, correct option is A 55. मैं आपको इसका कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन बताता हूं. Here we shall use successive integration method. Let I is equal to x cube, integration x cube sin x dx. So here it is 3, so that will be 4 times successively it will be integrated. First, that is equal to x cube and integration of sin x, that is minus cos x, and thereafter 3 minus 3 x square into minus sin x plus 3 to the 6 x, reducing 3, 2 and 6x within bracket cos x minus 6 into sin x plus c plus c constant plus constant. Solving it further, इसको और आगे भी सॉल्व करते हैं तो माइनस, ये माइनस यहाँ आ जाएगा आगे, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स क्यूब कॉस एक्स, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस 3x स्क्वायर साइन एक्स प्लस 6x into cos x minus 6 into sin x plus c. This way we have got gx is equal to माइनस एक्स क्यूब, लीविंग दिस सी को छोड़ते हुए बाकी सब, माइनस एक्स क्यूब कॉस एक्स प्लस 3x स्क्वायर साइन एक्स प्लस 6x कॉस एक्स प्लस 6x कॉस एक्स एंड माइनस 6 sin x, constant को छोड़ते हैं. Now substituting the values. Therefore g, instead of x we have to write pi upon 2. So writing pi upon 2, 90 degree means that is equal to pi upon 2. For pi upon 2 this whole will become 0. Plus, as you know, cos 90 degree, cos pi upon 2 is 0. So x cube will be 0. And for this sin x, pi upon 2, it will be 1. So 3 into instead of x, substituting for this 1, and instead of x pi upon 2, pi upon 2 square into 1, that is 1, sin x is 1, plus for this cos x pi upon 2 0, so this will be 0. Now for this sin pi upon 2 is 1, so that will be minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 means that 1. So that is 3 into pi square upon 4 minus 6. G dash x is equal to x cube sin x. X cube sin x. Now taking g dash pi upon 2, for g dash instead of x pi upon 2 is equal to pi upon 2 whole cube into sine pi upon 2, and the value of sine pi upon 2 is 1, so it will become pi cube upon 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8. This way, therefore 8 into g pi upon 2 plus g dash pi upon 2 will be equal to, for this g dash for g pi upon 2 we shall put the value 3 pi square upon 4, 3 pi square upon 4 minus 6, and for g dash pi upon 2 is pi cube upon 8, plus pi cube upon 8. 8 into, for this we put 3 pi square upon 4 minus 6, and for g dash pi upon 2 is pi cube upon 3 from here. Now this way, multiplying with 8, 8 3s are 24, and if we reduce it by 4, that will become 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 6 pi square minus 8 6 are 48, plus 8 into pi cube upon 8 is equal to pi cube. This is. Now here alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 6, and gamma is equal to minus 48. This way, alpha, this is alpha, this is beta, and this is alpha is equal to 1. Alpha is 1 here. Here alpha is not. So here alpha is 1. Beta is equal to 6. Beta is 6. And gamma is equal to minus 48. Therefore, alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to 1 plus 6 minus 48. One for alpha 1, for beta 6, and for gamma minus 48. So minus minus plus, that will be equal to 1 plus 6 plus 48, which is equal to 55. So the 55 is the correct answer. Our fifth question is from physics, semiconductor electronics. In the logic circuit shown in the figure, if input A and B are 0 to 1 respectively, the output at Y would be X, then value of X is. The output at Y would be X. Then the value of X we have to find. This is A, and this is known as NOT gate or inverter. It flips from 0 and become 1 and 1 become 0. This is known as OR gate, and this is known as AND gate, and this is NOR gate. Combines the signal from NOR. This gate combines the signal from NOR. So this gate receives the signal from A. From here, this gate receives the signal and throw a NOT gate from B, और this and this NOT gate से भी लेता है B से भी, NOT gate B. So this is NOR gate. Output R, it is OR gate which negates the OR operation. ये OR operation negates करता है और combine करता है signal from NOR and A and D से आने वाले signals. Let me write the gates. This is OR gate, and this is A and D gate. And this gate receives the signal from A from here and through a NOT gate. This is NOT gate. NOT gate. Inverter. It flips 0 become 1 and 1 become 0. And this is NOR gate, and this gate combines the signal from NOR and A and D gate, these two gates. So we consider the given figure in the question and solve it using Boolean identities. Now guess the answer. What should be the answer? I will tell you the answer. Now put the values of A and B in the output we get. On putting the value in the output here, we get, this is for A 0 and for B is 1 plus 1 bar. For A is 0, for B is 1. So that will become 1 bar into 1, which is equal to 0. This way our correct answer is 0 here. The value of x will be 0 here. Comment your answer and score. Want more JEE level questions? Please like, subscribe and share our channel for daily maths, physics and chemistry quizzes. Thank थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई स्कॉलर्स। कल फिर मिलते हैं इसी तरह की नेक्स्ट क्विज के साथ। बाय बाय।